What's up, folks?
So much working with
We back.
father and son.
We back with another video. We had to restart this video due to technical difficulties, but shouts out to Large Lucky Tackle Box. Lucky Tackle Box, our sponsors. So we got a few little crankbaits right here. They look good.
So that's what we opened. That came from the box.
Yeah, that's what we had already opened. Got us some hooks. Got us some drop shot worms.
Yes, sir.
Got us some swim
baits.
baits. Got another crankbait. And we have us another jerk bait.
Last but not least.
Yep, so special shouts out to you guys. Thank you guys very much for sending that through to us. What's the next package, bud?
Next we have Vet Cooper.
Okay. And this is from Darrell Bonner. Shouts out to you, Darrell. Let's see what you're working with, son.
Yes, sir. It's son.
Son, bucko.
Favorite word, folks.
Okay, first of all, we got us some plastic artificial intelligence.
Look like fluke.
Yeah, look like little fluke with eyes. Do you see that, son?
I see.
Yeah, look like the real deal, son. And we got us some more fluke plastic artificial intelligence. And what do we have? We have us something in a look like a Walmart bag. That's what it looked like. Oh my goodness! Look at here, folks.
We got a shirt.
We got us a shirt.
Ooh.
KC, Kimari Cooper.
Hey.
That's for you, bucko.
Oh yeah. Put this on right now.
So
Still shouts out to Bass Pro.
Yeah, and shouts out to Darrell Bonner. Appreciate that, bruh. Appreciate that, bruh. Okay, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and open this one right here.
Don't get my ball.
Shouts out to William Perch and Scott Coleman. Hooked in the Bluegrass. Gonna see what they reckon with. Marjorie got all stuff. Just wait till you put that on, son. You ain't gotta put that on right now.
Hey, don't show my head, please.
Yeah, okay, mama cut her head, so. Oh! Alrighty, let's see what they reckon with. Do I hear a rattle trap? Because I love me some rattle traps. I love me some rattle traps. That'd be my go-to baits to bust his head. What's on here? Okay, first of all, we got us some original black trick worms, you know.
Yes,
original, just what this little man called his personal best on.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we got us some Lizard Yum ABA baits. Look good. Might throw these out today, you know.
Yep.
Then we got us some Crawdads. They look real juicy and yummy. I might throw them out today.
I might eat one of them.
For real? And let me know how they taste, okay?
Alright.
Alright. And we got us a crankbait with a big head. Look like gonna catch a big mouth bass. Yes, sir. And then we have us a custom painted Clyde cranks. Look like it's a top water lure.
Let me see.
But we're gonna throw that out today and see how that works. Shouts out the hooked in the Bluegrass.
Yeah, how many minutes?
William Perch and Scott Coleman. Thank you guys. Alright, so we got a FedEx package right here. This is from God dog it. Who is this?
KLX Energy.
No, that ain't nobody.
Oh.
I don't know, but we're gonna see when we open it up. So
Can't go wrong with FedEx.
see what this look like. Go ahead, sir.
You weak.
Okay, I like to see you open it, bucko.
Alright.
Oh my goodness, any day now, any day.
You can't open it.
Oh man, look at
He can't open it.
look at it, y'all. Boy, you gotta put them hands on them, boy. You gotta put them hands on them, boy. You know what I'm saying? Whatever's in here, folks, it gotta be something good.
Yeah.
Mm. Shucks.
They made sure this thing came
It,
straight.
it should be some money in here. Tighter this thing is. All right, you guys. So what we
Oh.
have is some shirts, and this is from Ozea from Dead Aiming Fishing Group. Gave us this nice Dead Aim shirt, hunting and fishing.
Pow.
Like it, love it. Appreciate you, man. And he said, just wanted to send you and Kimara one of our Dead Aim Fishing Club shirts. They are not one of my favorite shirts, LOL. But I wanted to get something out to him to let him know that Dead Aim is proud of him and we want him to keep fishing and setting those hooks. We will send you guys new shirts when they come in. Tight line, Ozell. Appreciate you, man. Let's see if there's one more in here. Yep. Oh yeah, we got us a little camo. I like this now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, got us a little camo. Dead Aim. Nice. Appreciate that, man.
And that's it.
That's it?
Yep.
All right,
Got
so
one more package.
what about? What about?
Yay!
Man, please. That's all, you guys. Thank you for everybody that sent us out things. We appreciate that. And right about now, we finna get ready to go fishing and set us some more hooks.
No, he ain't gonna catch none.
Cause I'm gonna knock his head off.
He didn't do it. Ah.
Show me what you reckon with.